In this video, we will discuss RaySport Lighting's lineup of LED rock light options. RaySport Lighting offers 3 different varieties of LED rock light kits. We start by covering our original ColorSmart RGB LED rock light kit. RaySport Lighting's ColorSmart series boasts the absolute latest in microcolor LED lighting technology. The RSLD4 Kit CS and RSLD8 Kit CS utilizes ColorSmart 50/50 micro LEDs for a stronger, more refined light projection and an almost endless array of vibrant colors, which means more glow for a bold, luxurious statement. These ColorSmart kits include 4 or 6 LED pods with 10 feet of cable and CNC connectors. The ColorSmart Rocklight pods are IP68 rated to stand up against environmental attacks. These kits come with mounting hardware and gaskets to easily mount under any wheel well, body frame, or engine compartment on your vehicle. The ColorSmart kits are controlled via Bluetooth application on your smartphone. With the app connected to the ColorSmart kit, you can now enjoy color and pattern selection via the app. Remember, these Rocklight kits are available in white or black powder coat color options. Next up is the brand new ColorSmart RGB+W LED Rocklights. ColorSmart innovations just keep coming. And here's a great example with RaySport Lighting's new RGB+W Rocklight kits. The RGB+W kits utilize our original RGB Rocklight platform with its ColorSmart 50/50 micro LEDs. And now we have added a 4th pure white diode for a clean illumination when the color is set to white, which means an intense glow for an even bolder statement. Keep in mind, the RGB+W version is available in 4, 6, 8, or even 12 LED pod kits. Still includes wiring extensions, still is IP68 rated against environmental attack, still controlled via Bluetooth by your smartphone. The third and final Rocklight variant available through RaySport Lighting is our solid color LED Rocklights. Our solid color Rocklights are sold individually or in kits of 6 or 8 pods. Remember, these Rocklight kits are RF controlled. If your customer wants to be able to control the lights via their smartphone, recommend the ColorSmart RGB or RGB+W option. Our solid kit option is perfect for your customer's truck, Jeep, or ATV when a single accent color is the desired look. RaySport Lighting's starting lineup of LED Rocklight options deliver to you the boldest color presentation, the smoothest color transitions and patterns, as well as the most complete mounting and wiring options to make for the easiest install possible. RaySport Lighting University, or RSU, offers no-cost professional online courses exclusively for our lighting dealers. If you are an authorized RaySport Lighting dealer, you have access. You can find more info about RSU and many other resources to help you make that lighting sale at raysportnation.com.